Hi, hello, good morning! Welcome to Mariel Lassen channel. So, today's video ay mag-house tour na po si Mariel Lassen. For sure, super excited na po kayo makita ang inside ng bahay po namin. Ang bahay po na nabili po namin, it has 3 bedrooms at napakalaki po talaga ang property po namin. Ang size po ng lupa is more than 4,000 square meters. Binili lang po namin ito this year. June lang po talaga namin tiningnan ang bahay na ito, and pagtingin ko po sa bahay na ito, naramdaman ko po talaga na gustong-gusto ko po ang bahay na ito na maging home po namin. I know it's hard to believe na binili na po namin ang property na ito. So ito po talaga ang pakiramdam na wala kayong binabayaran na po ng mga rents. We just moved here last night. So natulog po kami sa floor last night. But that's okay kasi yung feeling lang po talaga namin is super saya. Full of overwhelm. So hindi na po natin patagalin. Mag-house tour na po tayo. Tara! Hello! Welcome to our home! So guys, ito po yung main door po namin. So tara, pasok po kayo. Pagpasok po sa bahay namin, straight away, ay makikita niyo po ang living area po namin. Sobrang laki. Napakalaking space for 3 of us makapaglaro talaga dito sa Savaster. Actually, nung nakita ko itong bahay na ito, for the first time, nagustuhan ko po agad yung living room po talaga dahil napakalaki. As you can see, empty pa po talaga. We just arrived here last night. Andito po sa kabila, we have a fireplace. And we love having a fireplace dahil mas nakakatipid po sa electricity. And we love collecting wood. So para po sa amin, isang bonus na po talaga na meron po kaming fireplace dito po sa living area. Just opposite po of our living area ay kitchen na po. I love the kitchen. Very simple lang po siya. Alam niyo naman po kung saan talaga kami nanggaling ni David. So, anything what's in this house, we really appreciate. Lahat po talaga maganda. The good thing of this kitchen ay marami pong cabinet. Hindi na po kami kailangan magpalagay ng cabinet. The fridge is already here. Last night lang po talaga namin to nilagay. Peter and Dave, they're helping each other para malagay po ito. And they're very, very nice, Peter and Mina. They actually camp with us to our property. Sila po yung first naming visitor sa aming property. And we really love it po talaga. The warm and generous po talaga na naramdaman po namin. Kasi wala po kami ditong kilala. So, continue po tayo. This is our oven. Grabe guys, yung oven. It was made from 1960s or 1970s siguro to. This is very old oven. I never seen anything like it. So, ang owner ng bahay na ito, it was an old couple. Mahal na mahal po talaga nila ang property na ito, and they're really looking after very well ang bahay na ito, and then they need to go to aged care. Kaya bininta po nila ang property na ito, and yes, nabili po namin. And that's why makikita po talaga natin may mga old na mga kagamitan dito kasi yung old lady na nagbenta po sa amin ay nasa mga 80s na po siya. And paano po ito buksan? Oh, wow! Did you see that? Pataas pala siya pag buksan mo po yung oven. So, pag yung mga modern ngayon ng oven, pag gano'n na diba, pag buksan mo siya. It's nice. I have to work it out how to use it. Ito yung sa itaas. Is this when you bake bread or...
You could bake bread or you could do anything in
Ah, you can do anything. So, dito sa ibaba, yes, it's the same. Wow, look at that. Ang ganda pa ng quality. Andito po sa kabila, this is electric stove. And dito po sa itaas, it's exhaust fan, it's still working. So, this is our sink. Wow, I love the sink. And We have a beautiful view with the green grass at puno. I think it's really nice na pag naghuhugas kayo ng plato, makikita niyo agad yung life. From the kitchen, punta po tayo doon sa dining table or family dining. So I told you guys, this house, it's really big. Parang mawawala kami dito talo. Tawagan kami ng tawagan, where are you last night? David was in the toilet, I was in the bathroom, and my husband said, where are you? I'm here! The house is very big. And I can actually hear my voice is echoing. Maybe because the house is still empty. But come here in the other side. Wow! Look at this! Pasok po tayo. And one thing I like this house is yung kisame. Tingnan niyo, oh. Sulid na sulid yung kahoy. And I like the light. And meron pong ceiling fan sa itaas ng bubong. And here's my favorite. First time po namin furniture. This is not ours. Regalo po to sa amin ni Auntie Mina and Kuya Peter. Ito po yung una naming furniture na binigay po sa amin ni Auntie Mina ang Kuya Peter. Actually, they bought this couch new. It was new when they bought this one. And then when they find out we're buying a house, they're very happy for us. And they decide to give it to us. And I said, are you sure guys, you're still using? But they are very, very happy to give it to us. Kaya I really appreciate. Kasi alam nyo, ako po yung tao na I like sharing to. So kung ako din yung nabigyan, I know how to really appreciate. And sabi ko nga sa kanila, ano ba to? Parang ano, bago kaming kasal dahil binigyan niya din po kami ng baso, mga plato. Yung dining area po namin, definitely malaki po siya. Similar po siya sa living area. Malaki din po. And dito po sa labas, it's our entertaining area. Papakita ko po sa inyo mamaya. Mamaya na po tayo sa backyard sa likod dahil there's more to see inside the house. Dito po, manotice nyo po, there's another door. So dito, it's our garage. So safe na safe po ang aming sasakyan. May mga gamit pa po kami dito dahil we just arrived last night. Kaya hindi pa kami masyadong nag-arrange ng mga gamit. Slowly lang po. And continue po tayo from dining area to the kitchen. Straight po tayo. Nandun po yung kwarto po namin. Tara. There's another door here. It's our laundry area. Pasok po tayo. There's a good cabinet here. Makapag-stock po kami ng mga sabon. Actually, nilagay ko na po dyan ang mga gamit. So, dito po ay kailangan namin pong bumili ng washing machine. The most important. And the other side, it's our toilet. Labas na po tayo. So, pretty much, it's a laundry po dito na area. And toilet. And continue po tayo. And dito po, there's another cabinet. It's empty. Kaya there's more space for storage. Dito po na side, ang kwarto. This house, it has 3 bedrooms. Kaya come here. Dito pala, we have a bathroom. Yung toilet ay nandun. Yung bathroom dito mas close sa kwarto. So, this is our bathroom. Meron po ditong bathtub. Si Sylvester last night is already having a bath. Straight away. And this side, behind the door, it's our shower. Diyan po kami naliligo. Pagpasok po natin, makita natin agad ang first room. Come in, guys. Wow! Laki ng space ng kwarto. So one thing I noticed of this house, everything it's big size. Look at the mirror. I can see my reflection, how happy I am right now. Super happy and ang ganda ng mirror, parang pinapaganda po ako sa mirror lang guys ha. So yes guys, ito po yung first kwarto. Ang laki po talaga. David and I, we decide to have this room for us kasi ang laki and yes, I like it. Dito po sa window side, buksan po natin. I think today it's been so cloudy kaya hindi masyadong very light yung video natin but that's okay. I'm just so excited to film and house tour today. Usually po pag winter dito sa Australia, medyo talaga cloudy yung weather. So yun po ang first room po natin. Yesterday I asked Sylvester, which room do you prefer? Kasi every room is malaki talaga yung space for Sylvester. And one room po talaga ang he decided that, I want this room, mommy. Ito po yung pangalawa naming room. I like also this room, malaki. And probably, baka, I'm still deciding which room po. Ito po ba yung tutulugan namin or yung isa? And yes, wow, look at the room. Kahit 10 tao dito matutulog. Ang laki-laki. So, it's nice to have a spare room pag may visitor po kami, like our in-laws, family. So, at least meron kaming spare room. Ang laki po talaga. I asked Sylvester if he would like to have this room. And sabi niya, I don't want, mom. I believe every kids ay mas prepare nila yung parang maliit lang yung room. And meron po ditong mga cupboard. Kaya maganda. Mapaglagyan po ng ng mga gamit. And there's also a mirror here. Nice po siya. Dito po ay window. Makikita po tayo ng mga halaman. Malaki ang space ng mga cabinet, kaya maraming mapaglalagyan ng damit. Pero we don't want so many things in this house. Mas maganda po ang bahay na hindi masyadong marami ang gamit. So, less po ang pagliligpit. Dito po ang pangatlong kwarto po. Ito po yung kwarto that Sylvester decide, I want this room, mommy. Come in. Kaya, pasok po tayo. Nagbabasa siya ng book. Hi, Sylvester!
Hi, Mommy.
How are you?
Good.
You happy?
Yeah.
He's super happy. He's super excited last night. Sylvester, is this your room?
Hi, guys. This is my room. It's very big and so fantastic.
It's so fantastic!
Yeah.
Aww, you're so lovely, boy. Guys, itour ko po kayo sa kwarto ni Sylvester. Nandito na po yung maliit niya na cabinet, yung mga damit ni Sylvester. Sylvester already pulled that one last night. Kaya he's such a good boy. Ang kwarto na ito, pangatlo, laki, hindi talaga siya masyadong malaki kumpara sa first and second room. So at least Sylvester likes this one. He preferred this room. Mas maliit po siya. But not super maliit. I mean, yung first and second, malalaki talaga siya. There's no bed yet. Kailangan po namin bumili ng bed namin, bed ni Sylvester, washing machine, upuan. But hopefully, makabili po kami ng mga second hand. Yes, start po tayo sa second hand. Hindi po kami makakabili ng bahay kung hindi po kami nagtipid. And yes, ito po yung kwarto ni Sylvester. And nagbabasa po siya ng book. He's very good boy. So guys, labas na po tayo sa kwarto ni Sylvester. Dinidisturbo ko na si Sylvester. He loves reading book. Punta na po tayo sa labas. Labas na po tayo. Tour ko po kayo sa labas. Let's go out. This is our entertaining area. There's plenty of space. We can have a barbecue here. And dito po, we have a bungsod. Hindi po. This is a fish pan. So, pwede po si Sylvester magkaroon po dito ng mga isda. And look at the fern. It's really green. Marami na po ditong pananim. Kaya, i-continue lang po namin kung anong meron dito. Aalagaan po namin. And we are very lucky po talaga to have this very big property. Ayan, naglalaro na si Sylvester. Hanggang doon po yan sa likod kasi palibot po siya. But don't worry, there is a fence at the back. Can't go out. Dito rin, hindi po makalabas si Sylvester. So, dito na area po talaga ay safe na safe po siya mag-ride po ng scooter. Dito po, meron na pong maraming kahoy. Ang lalaki. Libre na po to. Included na po pagbili namin ng bahay. So, magagamit po namin yan tonight to keep us warm. Ito po yung the best na nagustuhan ko po sa backyard namin dahil it has a green grass. Maraming mga tanim na din po. Puno. Oh, I love this one. Ito po, gustong-gusto ko po to. Green na green. I love it. Kailangan mo ata to siya ikat para maganda. Yung pinaka-favorite ko po na puno, for somehow, gustong-gusto ko po talaga to. David knows how much I like this tree. Gustong-gusto ko po talaga yan. Sang pangarap ko po yan na meron kaming gantong puno sa aming backyard. And I didn't even realize until later on, nung nakuha na po namin yung key ng bahay, doon ko po na-realize, we actually have this one in our backyard. And when I said to Dave, oh my God, honey, I'm so excited. We actually have this tree. And I believe this is lavender, is it? It is lavender. Dito po sa side po ng bahay, marami din po ditong tanim. I suppose yung may-ari ng bahay ay mahilig po talaga sa gardening. Kaya, i-continue lang po namin ito mga tanim. Diligan po ng mga tubig. Ito po, mga flower po ata to. Malaki po ang space dito. Kahit anong gusto naming itanim, there is plenty of space. Kaya balik po tayo nandun. Continue po tayo doon pa talaga sa likod ng aming property. Come in! I think this is a chicken house or rabbit. Meron na po ditong cage. And dito po, meron po kaming water tank, drum. Napakalaki po to collect water from the rain. It's very useful. Kaya maglalakad pa po tayo. Ganito po kalaki ang aming backyard sa likod po talaga. Lahat po ito amin. Hanggang dito po siya. Ganito po siya kalaki. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung hanggang saan po yung lupa namin. Hanggang dito po, hanggang dito, at hanggang doon po sa fence. Ito po yung kapitbahay naming fence. Hanggang dyan po, super wide po ng aming property. Hanggang dito po ito, there's another fence po. Doon po sa kabila. Ganyan po kalaki ang lupa po namin sa Buster. Wala po ditong traffic. Don't have to worry about it in our backyard. But lalagyan po namin ito ng fence just in case mag-roaming around to. Baka mawala po dyan. That one, it's a grape. So pag tingbunga na po, we can just go there and harvest. Feeling may-ari. Come here, let's continue po. Come, Sylvester. Grabe, hindi po ako makapaniwala na sobrang laki pala ng property po namin. There's another one here, a shed. Oh! We have lots of wood here, Sylvester. Look! Dave, you don't have to collect woods for a month. That's good. It might last until winter. Ang daming wood. Libre na po yan. Included na po yan sa pagbili namin ng property. Ito po, very clear po ang area ng lupa namin dito. Pwede pa po makapagtayo po ng bahay si Sylvester pag may asawa na siya in the future. Meron pong fence po sa kapitbahay, hanggang dyan po ang namin, yung lupa po namin. Oh, you can born here. Parang may sinunog sila dito. Yep. Meron po ditong malalaking 2 shed. Grabe ang lalaki. Parang pang-farm po talaga. So yan po ang magiging future namin ni Dave. Magtanim po kami ng maraming prutas dito. We already have big 2 shed. Sylvester, this way. Dito po sa kabila, property pa rin po namin ito. Hanggang dito po. This is our house over there. And yung property po namin hanggang dito. Ayan. Yung pagitan po, there is a fence from the next door. Yeah, there is a shell! Wow! Over here, grabe po yung exploring natin sa aming backyard. Ito po, kapitbahay namin. I think may mga tanim sila. I'm not sure what it is. It could be olives. Parang farm po siya. Is that olives, you reckon?
Yeah, those are.
Balik po tayo sa bahay namin. Ito po yung bahay namin. I know! You can make music with that. And sobra po yung explore po natin sa aming backyard. Malaki po talaga, as in mapalibot-libot ka talaga dito. Ang dami na po naming iniisip kung ano po ang gagawin namin sa napakalaking backyard in our house. And marami na po kaming mga project pwede po talaga kami magtanim ng mga gulay, prutas para makatipid po tayo. Hindi po tayo bili ng bili sa supermarket. As you can see po, ang bahay po talaga namin ay empty pa po. Ang dami po namin pangangailangan at bukas po pupunta po si Maria Lassen sa UF Shop. Mamili po ng baso, plato, tasa, susbin, kayahan. Dami pong pangangailangan. So mostly, bibili lang po kami ng second hand. Isa lang po talaga ang gustong bilhin ng bago ni David is yung bed. Yan po talaga ang sinasabi palagi ng asawa ko. One thing that is good to invest is your bed. Kasi napaka-importante daw po talaga na mahimbing ang tulog namin every night. And of course, that's very important to our health na makatulog po tayo ng maganda every night so we can function very good every day. Alam ko po, after 5 years, this is a very big achievement for us to be able to buy a house na hindi po namin kailangan mangutang. And after I upload about this, there is so many people asking advice to us, how did we manage? After 5 years, nakabili po kami ng bahay. So guys, as a vlogger, alam niyo po talaga yung story po namin. Ang dami po talagang sacrifice. Ang asawa ko, my husband, he's the one really good managing money compared to me, to be honest. I think that's the good thing when you have a husband older than you, kasi sila po ang maging taga-advise sa'yo paano mo po i-manage yung pera. Meron po talagang limit. Is that right, honey? You have to set a limit how much you have to spend.
Yeah.
Like, every week po naming pagkain, kailangan talaga yan naka-budget. Let's say po yung budget namin is around $150 to $200. Hindi po namin yan ubusin within 5 days. After 5 days, pag paubos na po yung pagkain namin, we have to learn to be rational. And of course, kaming mag-asawa, we're not very materialistic. Wala po kaming mga bisyo. So isa din po yan nakakatulong sa amin na nakatipid po talaga kami within 5 years. Yung savings po namin, ipon lang talaga kami ng ipon talaga. Guys, hindi po kami expert. We're not very expert financial advice. This is what we did and it very work to us. Sa pagkain kasi minsan, kailangan mo talaga magtipid. My husband always look for the half price, special price. Hindi pwede, as a Filipino ako before, grab lang ako. I keep grabbing whatever I want and I don't look for the price. And my husband taught me, you have to check the price. You have to buy and bulk if it's cheap. So, ang dami talagang, kumbaga, mga techniques. Some people, they don't want that na, bili na lang ako kasi gusto ko na because I need it right now. But yung asawa ko is really good. He can wait yung mga special price.
I can give a couple of tips. The first one is to have your money in a high interest savings account and make sure you get the bonus interest. And the second tip is don't buy a big car like Cruiser.
Ano? Naninira ka ng brand. You don't have to say.
That's just an example.
I know, you mean you don't have to drive a big car.
You don't need to drive a big car.
Yeah.
You'll spend 3 times the money.
Yeah, we have a small car. Also, as a Filipino, pag naubusan tayo, straight away, we will go to the store. David doesn't like that. He likes buying every week and he only goes to the supermarket once a week because we're always thinking, how about the petrol, Kasi malaking tipid na po yun sa amin if we go to supermarket just once a week.
Another tip I recommend when you're saving money is to know the difference between what you need and what you want. Because if you keep buying what you want all the time, you won't have any money left. So I suggest just giving yourself a reward at the end of the week or the end of the month and try to save most of your money if you're trying to buy a house.
To be honest, kung hindi rin po kayo willing mag-sacrifice, wala rin din mangyayari. Kasi paano po kayo makatipid? Ang pagtitipid, it's very hard. Saving money, it's very hard. It's not easy. Lalong-lalo na po pag may pera kayong hinahawakan. Sometimes you can't control yourself to attempt to keep spending money. I think it's all about you need to have discipline po talaga sa sarili mo. You have to be simple lang po talaga and be humble. Hindi niyo po kailangan baguhin niyo po yung mga sarili niyo or magbihis kayo ng mayaman para lang po talaga respetuhin kayo ng tao. David and I were not very expert of financial advice, but whatever we did, it was working. Hindi po kami magkaroon ng bahay sa loob po ng 5 taon kung hindi rin po kami nag-sacrifice sometimes parang maramdaman po namin sa aming sarili na we are very kuripot, but later on, malaki naman po ang reward. Being a kuripot, I think is not a bad thing.
Actually, I just say frugal or thrifty.
Pero ito pong mga sinasabi namin, yan po talaga ang ginawa namin. Guys, honey, did I hear the truck? Habang nagbablog po kami ni Dave, dumating po yung in-order po namin na bed from TG Furniture. Alaka! Our bed and bed frame, it just arrived today. I'm super excited. Wow, it's coming out! I'm telling you guys, this is the best bed ever that we bought for the first time. Tara po, grabe yung shopping natin ngayon. Ganito pala talaga pag may bahay kayo. Grabe ang daming bilihin. Tara po. Come to Mister. So, let's look for... there's another. Can you bring another trolley? Push that one, darling. There we go. Ala, yung dalawa. You guys making a fire already?
I thought we can put more.
Look at that. You can feed the fire, Sebastian. Wow, that will keep us warm tonight.
What if we put one more?
What do you want?
I want to put one more.
Of course you can.
How about this little piece?
Yeah, you. Careful. Whoa! Yay! Are you happy now?